Hi, I'm Jonathan and I've been teaching Vectorworks for a long time. One area where Vectorworks really excels is in data, attaching and reporting data on objects. This example is from a new quick start guide that I'm writing for landscape. You can see that the design layer has a different orientation to the plan from the site plan. If the plant tags are activated in the design layer, they'll be at the wrong orientation for this site plan. The answer is to edit the annotation part of the viewport. The data tag can then be used to add tags to the plants. The plants can be tagged, the tags are easy to keep straight, and the tags are able to be outside of the viewport crop. Now this method has several advantages. Number one, the tags can be outside the viewport crop area. The tags can be placed to suit each drawing. The tags update when the changes are made to the design layer, and the text on the tag is the correct size for the scale of the viewport. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the movie and become a subscriber. Hit the bell icon so you get notified when I've posted a new movie.